Hello everybody, I am Rai from Mama's Yummy Kitchen. If you like our video, watch it till the end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today I am going to make cakes in sandwich maker. We need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, baking powder, butter, milk, 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now take a bowl and strain all the ingredients properly. Now put the flour and sugar in the bowl. Add the baking powder. Mix all the ingredients properly. Now pour the melted butter into the bowl. Now add the eggs. Pour the milk. Now stir the ingredients with a whisk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir again and again. Take a sandwich maker. Brush the non-stick plates of the sandwich maker with some butter. Pour the batter into the non-stick plate. Now lock down the lid and switch on the power. Bake it for 7 to 8 minutes. Switch off the power and open the lid. The cakes are ready. It's time to enjoy the cakes. You can have it with milk. Yummy! Yummy cakes from Mama's Yummy Kitchen. Please subscribe our channel Mama's Yummy Kitchen and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. Bye!